What is up, you guys? Welcome back to to a brand new vlog. I'm currently on Main Street in Vancouver. Peter and I are walking to some vintage shops, but we actually stopped by the speakeasy that apparently is it over there? What is?
Yeah, it's right here.
You wouldn't even know it's a door, but
It's called Narrow
Bar, but it's pretty cool. As you can see, there's like hidden door. Oh, okay, that's kind of scary. Oh my god. Does smell like pee in here. Interesting. Is it open now?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, it is. Has some really cool art outside, and it's actually just up from Main and 2nd down there. So if we walk up a block and check it out. I've never been, but I definitely want to come sometime and see for myself. Alright, so this drink is a twist on the classic Aperol Spritz. And it looks like this. It has a grapefruit actually at the top. I'm getting total tropical vibes from this place. And there's also like little umbrellas that have those like things you would see in like a tropical bar. Also, I'm spilling all over my new jeans, but that's okay. We got a ceviche to eat. This is just a little snack because we're actually going for dinner in a few hours. So we wanted to get something quick to eat before we go vintage shopping, so we haven't had lunch. Okay, so we got our ceviche. It is very small. That's smaller than I was expecting, but that's okay. And then we got also too the smallest bowl of chips. We haven't eaten any of these yet, so. But apparently it's good. Okay, taste, guys. I really don't. Alright, so we made it to our first vintage shop. This one is called Whatever Land by Dead Union. And what's cool about this little area is there's actually like 4 different vintage shops like up in this spot. And Peter is obsessed with looking at vintage things. Like he literally looks at it all day, every day on the internet. So he likes to come and check out some shirts. I really feel like you don't need any more vintage, but in his eyes, you can never have enough. So we're gonna check some out. I really want to get a white vintage t-shirt because I actually this is kind of like my regular outfit I wear all the time, is like kind of jeans like this and then a vintage tee, and I just swap out the pants. So Vancouver is a very casual city, and so it's kind of like what most people wear here. But yeah, we're gonna look at some white vintage t-shirts and try and find something hopefully. All right, so I'm just trying a few things on. I'm gonna get these 2 t-shirts, and then I just tried this jacket on. I've been looking for like I cannot stop buying bombers, but this is a really cool like vintage satin bomber, so I think I'm gonna get that. And then these 2 t-shirts I want to show you guys. So this is one that's I'm actually gonna, it has a dog on it, but it's something to wear with like bike shorts. It's like a bit longer. And then this one says actually, it's funny, it says Supreme on it. It's obviously not Supreme. And the back just looks like that. But I've been looking for a white vintage tee, so I think I'm gonna get these 3 things. Awesome, thank you. Thanks so much. Thanks. So I wanted to show you guys something really cool. So this might look like a weird regular office. You're like, what is this place? It's actually a speakeasy. You go behind that door and there's a bar behind there. If that's not the coolest thing ever, I don't know what is. So I want to actually take you guys there one time. I was thinking about maybe doing like a main channel vlog on cool different areas in my city. So stay tuned for that. All right, came home, did a quick outfit change for dinner. Put this on, my ripped jeans, my flats. Changed the earrings, and we are ready to go. We actually ended up changing our rezo. Oh, it's from 10 minutes from now. We had to push it because we just lost track of time in the vintage stores. But yeah, I'm gonna go have some dinner and then go watch a movie. So I'll see you guys there. That is it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.